Today I'm going to walk us through a super simple repair. If you have a glass shower door that swings open like this one in your bathroom, most likely there is a magnetic strip on the door and the frame. And unfortunately these are pretty fragile. They're essentially a rubber compound that has some metallic dust blended into it that's then magnetized. And after a while it just starts to crumble. So this is definitely not a lifetime solution. And ours here you can see is sort of peeling off. You'll get a little bit of warning as it starts to crack and fall off before it just completely kind of starts to be useless. So one quick solution would be just to add some tape or adhesive in there, but that's probably not going to be a good long-term solution. But these are actually really easy to replace. So you're just going to go online and buy a magnetic strip. Now these come in a bunch of different sizes and shapes. So the most helpful thing to do would be to remove your old one and find an intact section and look very carefully at that cross section and those dimensions before you buy a new one. So for the door itself, our specific model, we'll just pop out a couple screws and then that will allow us to slide it off. For the frame on our model again, we have to remove the top bar. That involves taking off a couple screws to be able to slide that in and out. So let's get started. For these magnets, orientation does matter. Look at your specific instructions to confirm, but usually there's a thin line on one of the edges, and you want those lines to be on opposite sides. For example, the thin line is on this side of the frame, which means I want it to be on the far side for the magnet in the door. And then double check to make sure they line up perfectly. If you do it backwards, it'll still stick, but they'll be offset a little bit, which means your door won't close properly. So just keep that in mind when you're installing the second piece. Removing this screw allows us to deflect that channel enough to slide this in and out. Now that we're at the bottom, I'm going to pull it up just a little bit and then snip it. And then push it down so it's trapped, and then we're ready to reattach. Alright, that's a solid fit, and we're all done. I hope you guys appreciated this video. If you did, please leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks.